What if I told you that during World War II, the German military had a secret weapon that could tear through railway tracks like a mythical creature ravaging its prey? Picture this, a massive metal beast lurking on the tracks, ready to unleash chaos with just a flick of its monstrous hook. Meet the Schienenwolf, or as it was ominously called, the Rail Wolf. In the heart of 1942, amidst the turmoil of war, the Krupp factory birthed this mechanical behemoth. Its purpose? To annihilate railway tracks with ruthless efficiency. Mounted on a platform, it boasted a colossal hook that could rip through sleepers and wrench rails out of place with terrifying ease. But how did this metal monstrosity work its destructive magic? Picture two locomotives barreling down the tracks at a steady 7 to 10 kilometers per hour, dragging the Schienenwolf behind them. As it moved, the hook plunged beneath the sleepers, shattering the track's core and fracturing the very foundation of transportation. In the hands of a skilled crew of 10, this track destroyer could wreak havoc in a mere 6 to 8 minutes. It left nothing but devastation in its wake, destroying a staggering 100% of the sleepers and fracturing up to 93% of the rails. It was a nightmare for any advancing army relying on rail transport. But the Schienenwolf's reign of terror didn't end there. As the Third Reich faced its downfall, it deployed this weapon in a scorched earth strategy, tearing up not just tracks but bridges and signaling equipment as well. The once thriving rail routes into Germany were reduced to nothing but twisted metal and shattered dreams. Yet, even in the face of such destruction, the German war machine faced challenges. The Soviet Union's rail network operated on a different gauge, forcing the Germans to adapt. Some tracks were hastily adjusted, while others required complete reconstruction to accommodate the heavier trains of Nazi Germany. In the annals of history, the Schienenwolf stands as a chilling reminder of the lengths humanity will go to in times of war. A silent predator lurking on the tracks, ready to strike at a moment's notice, leaving destruction in its wake. Thanks for watching, and until next time.